Another interesting thing that you can do in Flowjin is you can create titles that are animated. So for doing that, I'm going to add a title at the beginning of my clip. And the first thing is to click on the text layers here, choose one of these presets, and I'm gonna click on this and type why Kim likes Flowjin. And I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. And I want this title to appear in the clip and then disappear. For that, I have to just set it to be appearing in the timeline just for a few seconds. For example, now it is shown for the first 21 seconds of the video. I can just make it longer or shorter. And then I'm gonna put an animation here so that it will come beautifully in the video and then disappear. So let's try a few captions. I think the slight one can be a good animation here, and you can change the direction of it as well. So I want it to come from left to right. And that's it. You will have a more interesting title for your clip.